Are you looking for a way to control who can reply to your Instagram stories? I will now show you how to turn on off replies to your Instagram stories very fast and easy. So, stay until the end of the video to see how to do it correctly. The first step is to open Instagram on your phone. Then, click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've done that, click on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Settings option here. Once the Settings section is open, click on the third option, Privacy. We want to turn off or on replies to Instagram stories, so we need to click on the Story option. So now, under the Replying section, it says Allow Message Replies. Choose who can reply to your story. Right now, it is set to everyone, which means that anyone who watches your story can reply to it. If you also have this set to everyone, you can change it to either people you follow, which means only the people that you follow will be able to reply to your Instagram story. Alternatively, you can tap where it says Off, and it will completely disable the ability to reply to your stories on Instagram. That concludes this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. If you have any questions about the process we went through today, please feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.